Hey guys, it's just seeing. And today we are unboxing the brand new DJI Mavic 3 in this mysterious box that has no photos or labels or names because the version that I'm testing out is currently not out yet. So this is very exciting to open up this secret to mystery, to show to you guys. Of course, by the time you see this, you'll know what it is. So at the time of filming this, it's a secret. So there's going to be two versions of the Mavic 3. So there's going to be the regular version. And then there's the city version, which will allow you to record directly to the drone with a 1TB solid-state drive. And you'll be able to record ProRes 4:2. The other thing to note is these will now fly for about 46 minutes. It's got crazy to think about where we started from with DJI drones, and drones in general battery life was such a crucial part of it. And the fact that we can now get all of this technology inside of this drone and be able to fly for about 46 minutes. I'm excited. Oh, this looks like it's got a nice little case. Well, look at you. This is a big case. This is this nice. Hello. This is a nice fabric. This has got like these nice little clips on the side. This is premium. That's in here. There are all kinds of secret little compartments. Oh my god. Oh my, this whole roll. This turns into a backpacking world. What kind of magician nonsense is this? Oh, can this even have this little zip right here? So you could put this onto like your luggage. I'm already impressed with the bag. I haven't even gotten to the drone yet. Oh, whoa. Look at this. What the heck? So this looks like something out of Star Wars. Like this looks like Darth Vader. Like if he had a pet, this would be his pet. It's got this cool little interlocking system to keep the blades all in place for travel. Okay. We've got a couple more boxes here. Just going to take out everything. We'll look at this incredible bag. I'm so impressed with this bag. I can't get over it. It looks like we have a new battery design. Alright. That is everything out of his incredible modular bag. What a great idea. Wow. Whoever designed this, freaking give them a raise. Let them know that they did a great job. And I appreciate that you are a part of that team that worked on the bag. I need you to send this to your boss and be like, Justine says, we need a raise and they're not going to give you a raise. At least demand. They buy you dinner, pizza, something, anything. Give them a gift. Give them a trophy, send me their address. I'll send you a trophy. Oh, look at this new little charger. I like this a lot. It has a built-in adapter. Just like so USB-C. This is freaking nice. I feel like DJI is killing it recently with all of their innovations. Keep up the good work. What the heck? Why does this look so good? Look at this. It's like it's like a little belt, like a little suspenders, like little overalls. This thing looks vicious. What? Get this beast, Mavic 3. You have outdone yourself. My goodness. This has two cameras on it. Look at this. Okay. This has a dual camera system. This is wild. So the 4/3 sensor is a Hasselblad camera, which can shoot up to 5.1K, but then you have the telephoto lens, which can shoot 7x optical, 28x with digital, and 4K 30. I'm not even sure how to process this, but I'm currently processing it. And I cannot wait to take this thing outside and fly. Also, have a few other accessories here in this box. Got some extra props just in case you never know, additional cables, depending upon what type of phone you have. We've got the micro USB and the USB-C additional USB-C cable for charging and the multi-battery charging dock. And here's what the new batteries look like. I feel like these are kind of closer to what the FPV drone batteries look like. Love that they have a nice little docking station. Oh, I almost threw this away. There are ND filters. Don't forget about those. These are crucial to your droning experience. What about these look like because we have the dual cameras? Look at that freaking color. I am impressed. I forgot. I can't wait to go outside. The one thing that I wish that they would have done with this controller, I do like this newer controller design, but man, they had a missed opportunity to match these dark grays. It's okay. No fault. Just, maybe for the future, like a darker gray version. Awesome. Wow. Alright. Time to charge and let's get out there sort out here for the first flight. I cannot wait. There's a lot of surfers and I know that's their first don't like drones. So I'm gonna try to stay away from them. But the morning is perfect. I love it. I'm so hyped. And this thing just walks like a beast. Like, look at this. This is vicious. It's so cool. This one does come with some ND filters. This whole piece will come off and I'll be able to pop on a new filter. Here are the little filters like, look at this cute little case. That's 6, 430 to 8. We're going to 32 and you go, oh, all the first flight is always so exciting, but also terrifying. Oh my god. It's so pretty out. Oh, this makes me want to go out on a drone adventure so bad. The fog is rolling in over the mountains. Oh, shoot. The best thing about this is the flight time, we've got about 46 minutes. If that's just absurd, I'm going to test out the C4K. We're going to be shooting also at 24 frames a second. Let's take off. I think I'm going to switch actually into the Explore mode. This is going to go back into 4K, but I want to test that zoom. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is crazy. This is wild. I get so nervous, like flying through things, even though I know I have so much room for what's in there. Oh, there's all sorts of trash. GPS signal weak. I don't like that crazy. Cause I have not been concerned with battery life at all. I mean, right now I'm at 30% and I'm like, I guess I'll come back. But I don't have to, like, I haven't been worried about it. It's linked to the beast. I'm so excited. Let's go to a new location. We just went and filmed that a second location. And this time we decided to shoot in the pro set. So when we filmed this morning for sunrise, we were just shooting on auto. Wanted to see how everything worked, watch that playback, and then make some changes. This time we switched up the ND filter to AD8 and then we also alternated between the 32 just to see how they would play, changed a bunch of settings. And I'm so happy with the footage. Like everything looks incredible. I've been having so much fun with this job. But the one thing that I will say is at launch is some of the features are readily available, which honestly like I'm upset about, but I would rather them hold off on launching these features, and then they're terrible. And everyone's complaining like this doesn't work. Something has failed. Why did you guys launch this? Well, they launched it because you were complaining about it not being there and then it wasn't ready. So the fact that they are holding back on it, I feel like says a lot. So just double checking some of the features that aren't going to be available at launch, but they will be available in January 2022, the Hyperlapse Master Shots, the Focus Track, including Spotlight Active Track, 5.0 Point of Interest, Quick Shots, Panorama, Quick Transport, and 4 grams transmission. That's a lot of features that aren't ready, but honestly, shooting with this thing, it was very depressed with the footage. We ended up just shooting at the best possible quality shot and D-log. And it's pretty awesome. One thing that I am excited to see, I know some of my friends have this mini version of this, is being able to shoot in ProRes and having an internal 1TB solid-state drive inside of your drone recording internally. Pretty freaking awesome. So the city package does come with some additional ND filters, but for what we're shooting going all the way up to 32 seems to be perfect. Also, the battery life on this thing, when you're flying a drone, you don't want to be up in the air for literally 2 minutes. And by the time you get your good shot and then you've got to come back again. I didn't even think about battery life. It never even gave me an alert. By the time I got all the incredible shots that I wanted to get, I was like, I'm bored. I filmed everything that I needed to film. And I brought it back. I did get one notification that said that the wind conditions were really windy, and I ignored it and continued to fly, and never once did I notice that it was windy at all. This thing kept stable. It was flying like a champion, and even just flying felt so smooth. I've also been used to flying the DJI FPV drones. So I've been very used to flying just super fast or radically and wild. It was kind of fun to go back to sort of a cinematic drone and get some really fun, slow shots, and really kind of focus on getting something that looks cool to freaking lenses on this. Okay. Can we just go back to that? It was very shocking because when I was flying with this thing zoomed in, I was like, I don't even know how to explain it. It was such a weird feeling because it felt like I was so close to things and I was afraid to even fly. But then I would do back out and realized that I was nowhere near the thing that I was filming was kind of cool. You can go all the way up to a 28x zoom, and some of that is digital. So you are going to be seeing some quality loss, but what's so cool is your ability to kind of just go and see, is that somewhere that I want to go, are there any obstacles? And then you could fly the drone there and get that crisp shot. But the telephoto was pretty impressive. The fact that you're able to get these crisp shots when you're nowhere near what you're trying to film is pretty cool. So this is just the first look at this drone. Since a lot of the features aren't ready, but a lot of those features I have used in previous drones, and I'm excited to test them out in this one. This is the higher end. As far as prices are concerned, it's the Mavic 3 with just the basic package is $2,199. And then if you want to get the Fly More combo with extra batteries, that's $29.99, and the Mavic 3 Sydney Premium package is $49.99. And I'm honestly pretty excited about this drone just because it is so light, and being able to shoot in 5.1K I'm so used to shooting. It's such a lower quality with my drones because I usually prefer a smaller drone to take with me, but this is still a small drone and I'm not going to have to sacrifice the quality.